Welcome to my podcast. Today's question: why you should live your life by being yourself. It is important to foster individuality, for only the individual can produce the new ideas. Respectability is fragile. One mistake and it can shatter to pieces. Respectability is slavery. Individuality is dignity. It has nothing to fear. It is just being yourself. It is independent, original, and fearless. There was a monk, and his name was Hanyatara, and he was dying. And while dying, he was thinking about something that was hurting his consciousness. Hanyadara could not control himself. He started crying. And then someone from the crowd asked, "What happened? Why are you crying? What is the matter?" And Hanyadara said, "I am trembling. I am crying for a certain reason. There is some thing that is making me feel low. This is my last moment. I am dying. Soon I will be facing God. And I am certain He is not going to ask me, 'Hanyatara, why were you not like Moses?' If He asks, I will say, 'Lord, because you didn't give me the qualities of Moses.' And then there will be no problem. He will not ask me, 'Why were you not like Saint Kabir?' I will tell him, 'God, you never gave me the qualities of being Saint Kabir, that's why.' But I am trembling because if he asks, 'Hanyatara, why were you not just Hanyatara?' then I will have nothing to answer. I will have to look down in shame. That's why I am trembling and these tears are flowing. My whole life I have tried to become Moses, Kabir, or somebody else. And I completely forgot that He, God, wanted me to be just Hanyatara and nobody else. Now I am trembling and I am afraid. If He asks this question, what am I going to answer? How will I be able to raise my eyes when He says, 'Why were you not Hanyatara? You were given all the qualities of being Hanyatara. How did you miss?' And I have missed the opportunity to be me by imitating others. I simply missed a great chance just to be. I missed it. In pursuit of respectability, individuality was compromised. What an insightful story. Beautiful. His whole life, Hanyatara never tried to be. Instead, he tried to become like someone else. In the process of walking in the footprints of others and gaining more and more respect, he simply forgot who he really was. He always tried to fit in so he could stand out. His whole life he compromised just to be like someone else. And now, on his deathbed, he deeply regretted his actions. He missed the bliss, the joy of living his life in his own way to be the person he really was. To explore the wonderful qualities that he had within and to experience the joy of true freedom. Individuality is freedom lived. A bird singing to its own heart's content, children playing as they will, saints living life in their own bliss, travelers exploring places with no fear whatsoever. Flower that keeps smiling no matter how hot the sun is and trees that stand firm no matter how threatening the storm is. How beautiful. That's individuality, being yourself. By being yourself, you live a life of freedom. Then your life is not boring. There is a joy to it, a song to it. Life is no longer a problem to be solved. Instead, it becomes a reality to be experienced. Individuality is not about getting out of life, it is getting to the very center of life. It is a jump beyond life. If happiness is the goal of life, then the most promising path towards happiness is being yourself. It's beneath human dignity to lose one's individuality and become a mere cog in the machine. Value your individuality. Be an individual. Meditate.